again, Di.
Ba, you want another piece?
I want a big one.
Okay.
Like Mama.
Oh no.
Whoa.
We'll see.
I'm gonna put one on my hand. It's big and I can feel it and eat it.
Use your hand.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, last piece.
Whoa. See if she can eat that big piece. Man, look at that bite.
Ow.
Did you bite your finger?
Did you bite your finger?
Can I pick my finger?
Huh?
I want to see my finger.
It's right there. Look at it.
Right there.
Excuse me. That was a sneeze.
Go again.
I can't. Do that again, Bob. Do it.
Okay.
What? This is when you ate the bitter melon. What did you do?